In the 1960s, the number of unmarried couples living together increased dramatically. Many assumed that by not marrying, they'd be able to separate without tiresome and expensive court proceedings. In the 1976 case of Marvin versus Marvin, Lee Marvin learned firsthand just how wrong that assumption can be. Domestic relations law affords various remedies between divorcing spouses, such as alimony and property distribution. These remedies typically don't apply to unmarried cohabitants who separate. Thus, many unmarried cohabitants invoke contract law and equitable doctrines such as restitution. Under restitution, if one party provides value to another, reasonably expecting equivalent value in return, then that value is recoverable even without a contract. Unmarried cohabitants who separate often invoke restitution, relying on the value of domestic services provided during the relationship to obtain similar relief to that available to married couples. In 1964, Michelle Marvin moved in with Lee Marvin, though Lee was still legally married to Betty Marvin. Lee and Michelle never married even after Lee's divorce from Betty was finalized. However, Lee and Michelle lived together for about 5.5 years. During that time, the two behaved like a married couple. Michelle forsook her entertainment career to be a full-time homemaker for Lee, and Lee provided for Michelle's financial needs. Together, the couple accumulated substantial wealth and property in Lee's name, including motion picture rights worth over $1 million. In May of 1970, Michelle left Lee's home at Lee's insistence. Lee kept providing for Michelle until November the following year, when he cut off further support. Michelle then sued Lee in California state court, alleging that Lee's cutting off support breached an express oral contract. Under that contract, Lee agreed to support Michelle for life and share property acquired during the relationship in exchange for domestic services and companionship. Lee moved to dismiss Michelle's complaint, and the trial court granted the motion. Michelle appealed directly to the Supreme Court of California.